Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to talk about Heartland is a Canadian family drama series that follows the lives of the Fleming Bartlett clan who run a horse ranch in Alberta. The show is based on the book series by Lauren Brooke and has been airing on CBC since 2007. It is the longest-running one-hour scripted drama in Canadian television history with 16 seasons and over 200 episodes. Before continue, I request you to subscribe our channel and press on the bell icon button for new videos notifications on time. The show has a loyal fan base that enjoys watching the heartwarming stories of love, family, and horses. The show also features stunning scenery of the Canadian Rockies and showcases the beauty and culture of rural Alberta. The previous season of Heartland was an emotional roller coaster for the fans as they had to say goodbye to one of the main characters, Ty Borden, who died from a gunshot wound in the season premiere. Ty was Amy Fleming's husband and the father of their daughter Lindy. He was also a veterinarian and a mentor to many young people at the ranch. The rest of the season focused on how the Fleming Bartlett clan coped with Ty's death and moved on with their lives. Amy and Lou, Ty's widow and sister-in-law, reunited with their respective partners, Peter Morris and Mitch Cuddy, after spending some time apart. Tim Fleming, Amy and Lou's father, and Jessica Forrest, a wildlife officer, explored their relationship at the ranch. Georgie Fleming Morris, Lou's adopted daughter, and Quinn Valley, a rodeo star, faced some challenges in their long-distance romance, while Jade Varani, Tim's protege, and Wyatt Morris, Peter's son, dealt with some unexpected news. Jack Bartlett, Amy and Lou's grandfather, and Lisa Stillman, his wife, missed each other as Lisa traveled around the world for her business. Caleb Odell and Cassandra Fay, two former rodeo competitors, tried to balance their rodeo careers and family life. The season finale ended on a hopeful note as Amy gave birth to her second child with Ty, a son named Lyndon. The family gathered around to welcome the new addition and celebrate Ty's legacy. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.